Hi there, it's Grant here. I've got a really exciting video for you today because I'm going to show you how a new AI piece of software I've just found is going to explode my affiliate marketing business and my sales, put me ahead of 99% of other affiliates. So if you're super excited to see how this AI piece of software works and how it's going to potentially help me as an affiliate, I'm going to walk you through everything of how this works. Smash the like button. Why not subscribe, grab a coffee, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show, because I'm going to share some super valuable stuff here that's really going to help you if you're interested in affiliate marketing. So, okay, let's crack on with the video. So, I'm on ClickBank at the moment, and I'm on the top offers page. Now, if you're around the affiliate marketing niche, you probably know Alpaline's a hot offer, but if you're not, this is the top offer on ClickBank. It's called Alpaline. It's a weight loss product. Everyone's promoting it. It's got ridiculous gravity score, so it's converting really well. Payouts around about $140. So that's what you get for every sale you make. So it's good commission, and this is going to sell at scale. So you could potentially earn a lot of money. And I can tell you, there's affiliates making 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, maybe even 10,000 a day from this offer. It's bonkers. It's the hottest offer out there. Now, does it actually work? Probably not. So there's an ethical thing there. I've looked into it. I'm not sure. It's a bit sketchy, but if you want to make money, then this is the offer you want to be promoting on ClickBank. Hottest offer out there at the moment. So, question is, you're an affiliate. How the hell do you promote it? Well, most new affiliates will probably spam links around social media. Not going to work. You can open a YouTube channel and start promoting with YouTube. That's one of my strategies. Yes, you can do that, but I've checked it out. And basically YouTube, there's a lot of videos ranking for Alpaline on YouTube and Google. So it's going to be quite hard to get your videos ranked. You can do it, but it's going to take a lot of hard work. It could take 30 days or more to start getting any traction, but we want cash now. The other way you could do it, which is one of my secret strategies, is set up some simple search ads and bid on the brand terms such as Alpaline. We're putting the ads in front of buyers. Works every time, very profitable, gives you instant cash. Set up a search ad for Google ads, Bing ads, bid on these terms, you'll see the commissions roll in. But Alpaline don't allow you to do it, and a lot of affiliate companies or publishers don't allow you to do it. Some do, some don't. Alpaline doesn't, so that's out the window. So in comes this awesome piece of AI software that's gonna give me some ideas of how to bid on Alpaline and everything. So this piece of software here it's got an algorithm, and it uses AI to basically spy on competitors who are advertising on YouTube. And if you don't know what YouTube ads are, it's probably one of the hottest or most underutilized advertising platforms out there because people are scared of it. But I can tell you, if you know what you're doing, you can make a ton of money as an affiliate, with YouTube ads. And also you can use this tool to grow your YouTube channel as well. So, like I said, in an ideal world, I'd love to bid on these terms using search ads such as Google or Bing ads. Not allowed to do it, but let me show you something really cool. So they've got a feature here called Ad Spy, which allows you to spy on anyone who's advertising on YouTube or using YouTube ads. So it's just going to load up. So what I want to do is look for advertisers who are promoting Alpaline. So first thing I did was come into the tool and type in Alpaline. Let's see if I can actually spell it. And what it's going to do, it's going to bring up all the ads who are bidding on that term. Brilliant. Obviously, if I'm promoting this, I'm going to be bidding on the Alpaline terms because they're basically people who are showing intent that they want to buy Alpaline. So let's have a look, see what it brings up. So I've looked at this before, and I can tell you this is the top advertiser on YouTube who's promoting Alpaline. So they've paid to get 743,000 views through this video promoting Alpaline. So do you think this video here is converting. Can we agree on that? You can bet your money. I mean, I don't know how much money that is, but they probably spent tens of thousands of dollars on this ad. You know, so, and if we can see of all the other sort of advertisers who are bidding on Alpilean as well. So here's another one, 33,000. You know, these are all of the people, you know, Alpilean new script. So this is a new video actually that they've put up. Interesting, 1.8 million views. So let's have a look at this. So why is this powerful? Well, not only, you know, is this tool telling us people are bidding on Alpilean, obviously, but also we can see, you know, the type of video ads they're running and the landing page. So here we go. So I'm not going to play it. Wow, let me just play it quickly. So basically, this is a video ad you're using. It's just basically creating curiosity. So we can basically create a similar video like this because we know it's converting. They've put 1.8 million views through this video. But also we can see the landing page they're using as well. So we can model the landing page. We can reverse hack what they're doing. Now, you know, here we go. Odd 5-second ice method raises stubborn fat overnight. So here we go. It's just this is like something called a bridge page, because if you don't know, with the ClickBank links, you can't just put them into YouTube ads. You've got to have a bridge page. So this is something called a bridge page. So it just sort of follows on the theme from the video. You know, odd 5-second ice method. It raises stubborn fat overnight. And what it's going to do is this is going to take us to the VSL for Alpilean. And this is the affiliate here. They're making a ton of money. And this is the VSL. So why is this exciting? So we know people they're bidding on Alpilean, which is an absolute no-brainer. Rather than using search ads we're not allowed to do, they are actually bidding on Alpilean. So they're bidding on the Alpilean terms. We can model this landing page because we know it converts. And we can model this video ad. This is powerful, guys. You know, comment below. Are you blown away? I'm blown away by this. Obviously, for me to research this manually, it could take days. To try and find these video ads, I just wouldn't be able to do it. But with a click of a mouse, a few clicks of a mouse, I found I could reverse hack this and start promoting Alpilean today. And also, did you know that with YouTube ads, we can actually target all of the people who land on the Alpilean landing page? So we can tap into their buyers and anyone who lands on Alpilean. And you do that, basically you can go to Google, open a Google Ads account, go to audiences, and it allows you to put in the URLs that you want to target. How can Google do that? Because most people out there use Google Analytics, which is coding, which means they can pixel anyone that lands on the landing page. So you not only could you bid on the Alpilean terms, you could just type in the Alpilean URL into your Google Ads audiences and then target anyone who lands on the on the landing page and target them in the YouTube ad. It's crazy what you can do. So that's the first thing that was really exciting. The second thing, so bit of background, I'm mainly a financial affiliate. I promote affiliate products, crypto and options trading products. But recently, the products I've been promoting have been burning out, so I wanted to find some more. So I was just doing a bit of research for some of the offers I've got, and also to look for product ideas. I typed in options trading, and up came this video. 1.3 million views. Someone's paying to drive through this video, so you can bet bottom dollar it's profitable. It's making a lot of money. And that's the YouTube channel Black Box Stocks. So I clicked on here to check it out, to do a bit more investigation. So I watched the video, and basically, long story short, check the landing page, Black Box Stocks. Long story short, this is an awesome software trading tool for options traders and traders in general. I signed up to it, and they've also got an affiliate marketing program. So basically, I found myself a new affiliate offer using this tool. Would never have known about, wouldn't even know it existed. And the beautiful thing is, the affiliate product, it's $99.97 a month and $99.959 for the year. If we go to the affiliate page, you've got to sign up. You can't promote this without signing up to it. But if we look at here, I think the payouts, I'm just trying to look. Yeah, so you get $25 a month for every monthly member you promote, and you get $250 referral fee for every annual member you promote. So big bucks, and this is converting like wildfire. So I could promote this on YouTube, just create a simple, I can model this, create a little bridge page, and then I'm up and away. So put a comment down below. Are you seeing how powerful this tool is? I love it. This has given me so ideas to promote my affiliate marketing products and find new products. Next thing I want to show you is another powerful thing in this tool called the AI search. So if you want to use YouTube ads, this tool uses AI to build all of your audiences out for you. Super cool. I'm not going to go into it manually, but you can do manual keyword research. So let's just say, I know, we want to check out the Alpiline keywords. Yeah, Alpiline, can't spell Alpiline. And the tool will basically go to work. Here we go. And it's just doing a search on all of the Alpiline keywords on YouTube. I think it's searching. Let me do it again. Hang on a minute. For some unknown reason, it's not searching. I don't know if it's my connection or not. But anyway, I think my connection's a bit iffy. But basically what this tool will do is it'll bring up all of the keywords related around Alpiline on YouTube with all of the search volumes. And I can tell you, let me just actually try and refresh this because I really want to show you this. So basically it's going to show you all of the keywords related to Alpiline on YouTube, so you can reverse hack and run YouTube ads and target all of these keywords, and all the Alpiline terms are going to be they're all buyer terms. So here we go. I think my connection's come back. I really want to show you this because this is another powerful thing with this tool. So it's just doing its thing. So here we go. 283,000 monthly views for the Alpiline video, and this is for the VSL, Alpiline review video YouTube, Alpiline capsules. So all of these, you can target all of these terms in a YouTube campaign because we know the video, you know what's working, we know the landing page and models. So you can look at all of this. You can put your video out in front of all of these terms. But also, if you've got a YouTube channel, you can rank your videos around all of these keywords and create a YouTube channel and rank them. And what I'll do, I'll link to one of my favorite courses called Affiliate Tube Success Academy, which shows you how to rank affiliate review videos on YouTube. So I'll link to that down below if it's of interest. So yeah, hopefully you can see the power of this. So if you want to use YouTube ads, we just put all of these into a YouTube ads campaign and start bidding on them. So yeah, hopefully you can see the power of this AI tool. I mean, the possibilities are endless with this tool. Whether you want to grow an organic YouTube channel, which I do a lot of organic YouTube, but also I'm going to start doing a lot of YouTube. And the beautiful thing is, whether you want to promote Alpiline or something else, you can just launch a campaign for $20 a day. And I can tell you all of these keywords here, they're buyer terms. They're going to convert really, really well. Very powerful stuff. Last thing I want to show you is they've got an academy here. So this is absolutely freaking awesome. So basically this is a full sort of training thing of basically how to build out all of your audiences using YouTube ads. This is worth using this tool as well. It just takes a little moment to load up. So the guy here, I think he's called Alaric. Yeah, Alaric Heck is one of the world's leading YouTube experts. And he basically how to find the best YouTube ads for your keywords, campaigns, audience research, how to do all your competitor research. Honestly, guys, this AI tool is awesome because it's going to allow you to get ahead of 99% of affiliates, because most affiliates are never on YouTube because they don't get it. But with this tool, we've reverse engineered the top alpha YouTube ads. We know what to model it. We can model a landing page. We know which keywords to go after. Boom. This AI tool is absolutely freaking awesome. You can use it to find affiliate products, get product ideas, ad ideas. What more can I say? Awesome. So this tool is called keywordsearch.com. Here's the landing page. What I'll do is I'll link to this landing page down below in the description. If you want to join, you get a free 5-day trial. So you can have a play of it, see if you like it. And then I think you can go on to a monthly plan or an annual plan. Honestly, if you're an affiliate, this is a must-have tool because it's going to allow you to basically find out what's working on YouTube, whether you want to grow a YouTube channel, which I highly recommend, or you want to start using YouTube ads. Honestly, fantastic tool. So yeah, I'll link to this down below. Click the link. Why not sign up for a free 5-day trial? If you don't like it, you don't have to pay for it, but get in with this tool. If you're an affiliate, this tool is an absolute game changer. This is going to be one of the biggest marketing tools out there in the next couple of years. It is absolutely awesome and I love it. Also, in the full disclosure of honesty and transparency, I'm an affiliate for this product as well, so I do get a commission, but hopefully you got an immense amount of value from this video, with me showing you how it works, and obviously reverse hacking, the #1 affiliate product out there. So yeah, if you want to try out keyword search, get a 5-day trial, link below in the description. Anyway, that's what I've got for you. Hope you found the video useful and chat to you soon.